Hi, this is Mrs. Barb. Today we're going to do the checkerboard multiplication lesson with the level 2. Level 2 means that we're just going to add a little more abstract facts into our checkerboard work. And I'll show you what that means as we move along. Our problem that we have to work with today is 1,564 times 3. So I've laid it out on the checkerboard with your multiplican down here of 1,564. And our multiplier only has one digit, and it is a 3. So I'm putting the 3 right there. Now, in level 1 checkerboard, we would take the multiplican that says how many we have, and we would get out 4s. This would say how many we should get. We would get out 3 4s like this. What we're going to do with level 2 is we're going to take a little bit of a shortcut. If you know that 4 times 3 is 12, let's not even get these out. Let's just go ahead and get the 12 out. Just the beads that you need to write the number 12. If you don't know that 4 times 3 is 12, it's okay to get these out and count them. 4, 8, 12. Yes, 12. Now, we're going to lay down this 1 and this 2 so that it says 12 on our board. A good thing that I've found to do so that we get the right beads in the right square is to write a 12 in the air. So you can see it in the air. And lay it down just like you wrote it in the air. 2 in the units and the 1 next door. Now we are finished with our units. Let's turn this over. It says we're done. We never come back to this. Let's move on to our tens. It says we should get 6s out and we should get them out 3 times. Well, if I didn't know that 6 times 3 is 18, I could go ahead and get out 3 6s, but I know that it does equal 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. I'm going to get out the beads that I would use to write 18. Let's write it in the air so we know where to lay it down. Starting in the tens, the 8 goes there and the teen goes next door. We have finished with the tens. Let's move on to the hundreds. It says we should take out 5s and we should get out 3 of them. 5 times 3 is 15. If you do not know that, you can go ahead and take out 3 5s and count them and you'll find that they are 15. I'm going to go directly to the 15 just like you would write it. I'm going to write it in the air. Helps me to know that the 5 should go down where I'm working, the teen should go next door. We have finished with the hundreds. Let's do the thousands. 1 taken 3 times is 3. If I did not know that 1 times 3 is 3, it would be okay to get out 3 units. And you'd be able to see that they are the same as 1, 3. I'm going to put those back, and I'm going to lay the 3 down in the thousands place. That one is done. But we are not quite done with checkerboard. There's a rule that says that we have to only allow 1 bead bar in each square. So let's tidy up our squares. In the units, we only have 1 bead bar, and it's a 2. In the tens, we have an 8 and a 1, which is the same as a 9. So I'm going to take those out and leave the 9. So we have 1 bead bar in the tens. In the hundreds, we have 2 bead bars. We have a 5 and a 1, which is the same as a 6. So I'm going to take the 5 and the 1 out and put the 6 there. In the thousands, we have a 3 bead bar and a 1 bead bar, and that is the same as a 4. So I'm going to take these 2 out and replace them with 1 bead bar of 4. We now have our product. 4,692. Let's write this down. In the units, we have a 2. Let's put the 2 in the units. In the tens, we have a 9. Let's put 9 in the tens on the whiteboard. In the hundreds place, we have 6. 6 in the hundreds. In the thousands place, we have 4. A 4 in the thousands place. That gives us 4,692, which matches our beads, 4,692. And that is the end of the checkerboard multiplication with level 2. Thanks for watching.